Hello, everybody. It's James Shoemark here. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the Startup Race, and we sponsor the League of Entrepreneurs Meetup Group. And I'm very happy to have Guy Kaufman, who is leading the launch team at Vested, which is designed to help early stage entrepreneurs get their house in order when it comes to equity and shares and company secretarial duties and stuff like that. And we're having an event, League of Entrepreneurs Meetup, on Thursday, the 27th of October. It's at 4 p.m. So I hope that you will join us for that call. It's called Fundraising and Investment Secrets for UK Entrepreneurs. So, but ahead of that, we just really wanted to record this teaser interview just so that you can know what we're going to be talking about. So, Guy, so perhaps you could just really tell us what these fundraising and investment secrets are.
Well, they wouldn't be secret though, would they? No, I could give you a bit of a teaser. I mean, what I'm focusing on really are the different tax advantage schemes that are available to investors that make investment in early stage companies and businesses particularly attractive. So if any of you do a little bit of Googling, you'll no doubt come across SEIS and EIS, and it's a great way to make you stand out for the crowd and to make that investment look more appealing. And and how does an entrepreneur go about getting an SEIS? Because you do need to. They've changed it now. UK. I think it was a HMRC. They're overwhelmed with people making applications. I think they called it early assurance or advanced assurance. That's right. So you can still apply for advanced assurance, and it's something that would be recommended. The process is not that straightforward, is probably the best way of putting it. It's a rather complicated form. Vested actually have a tool that allows you to apply for advanced assurance through our platform.
Oh, wow.
So, small plug, but it makes the whole process much easier. It's a guided flow. So it takes you through that process and allows you to secure your advanced assurance without the same level of difficulty.
So perhaps you could tell us then, how does, if an entrepreneur gets advanced assurance for SEIS, how does that motivate an investor to consider investing in them?
Right, so there are huge tax write-offs for investors who are investing into SEIS or EIS companies. So they can write off huge amounts against their income tax and basically put much less capital at risk if they do it through these schemes. As a result, it becomes a huge amount more attractive, is the simplest way of putting it. I'll be going through those eligibility requirements and the tax benefits to it in a lot more detail during our session.
So I do believe that if an investor makes an investment, they get something like 45% capital gains tax relief. And even if the startup goes bust, they get even more tax relief from HMRC. So only like 10%, if they invest £100,000 in a startup, there's only about 10 of that, 10,000 is exposed.
That's absolutely right. And in our presentation, I'll work through some comparisons about what it looks like for investors who go through it the normal way versus somebody who's gone through an SEIS, EIS scheme. And you can see just how much more tax efficient it is for them, really.
So this is a key opportunity for any entrepreneur who wants to raise investment to really increase the odds. I think I read somewhere that only 1% of an entrepreneur that's trying to raise investment is successful. And so this will enable any person who joins the call on Thursday, the 27th of October, to be one of the 1%, to be in the 1% club. So yeah, I'm so grateful, Guy, that you're prepared to help us out with this. And of course, people can go to vested.com, only one E, invested, and check it out themselves.
We're edgy. We've lost the E because we're an edgy tech company. So.
Okay, fantastic. All right. Well, thanks, Guy. I'll see you then. Cheers.
Thanks very much.